Kids can't keep their hands off the beautiful ice formations. They gotta break it. Look at that. Hey, handsome.
Hey.
Oh, did you get it all dirty? No, 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 no. You're not shooting down here.
I'm getting there just in case.
No, don't worry, honey.
Comes out. I just want to hold on my arrow, please.
Gage, I said no. Put it back.
I want to hold it.
What did I say?
Stop with the attitude.
Hey, remember that was a big pool at one time? A long time ago?
What, you mean? What you doing, Danny? Man, come back here. Because if those fall on you, it's going to hurt. The ice.
No, it's melting.
Oh, look at it.
Break off.
It's stalagmite. Ice stalagmite. Hello.
Careful, Nuggy. You're so cute. Careful, buddy.
Hello. I need to tell you something. I'm lifting that thing up when I... What? We're playing Bounty Dog. Bounty Dog.
Gage, stop. Red snaps, you're going to be in pain. What's wrong? You got to get careful with these, right? Alright, come on.
Mom, I need to show you something. Mama, I want to show you something.
Oh, yeah? What do you want to show me?
See this couple seconds.
Gage, please stop. If that falls, then it's going to...
It's going to break and it's going to hurt you.
Mama,
Yeah?
can you walk a little bit on that? Can you walk a little bit on?
Place just takes my breath away. Go underneath it, honey.
Mama.
There you go. No, buddy. It's all wet and stuff and slippery. So all of these, that little skinny, scrawny tree reaching up right there, that's Pawpaw. They're all over. That little scrawny tree right there, with that funny branch that goes off to the side, those are Pawpaws. This one right here, this little skinny guy, with the branch that goes out that way, that's a Pawpaw, and so is like all of these little stick ones. They're all Pawpaws. No, not the giant, baby. The little skinny trees.